Hello everybody and welcome back to the RC crew. And if you're new, if you like miniatures or RC vehicles, you've found the right place. And even if it's not something for you, I'm pretty sure we're gonna blow your mind. Not literally, but anyways. So on today's episode, we need to shut down because we need to make some maintenance on the wash plant. And we made some changes to the tailings pond as well, where we want to show you what we've come up with. And since we can't run anyways, ooh, an apple. Sorry about that. Ooh, they're actually good. I'm like the cakes monster with apples. Never mind. Since we're not running the gold mine anyways, we have the opportunity to build a bit more on our vehicle shed, and of course we are gonna get a small gold tally. So, tally ho! Sometimes it's fun to have fun with less intelligent people than yourself. So currently Mick is standing in the middle of our tailings pond. And the reason why he's doing that is because I told him to. Yeah, I'm Murphy, the editor. I want to figure out how much I actually can get away with, and apparently it's quite a lot. The second reason why I'm doing this is so I can tell Meg how you actually do a brilliant voiceover, because apparently he's not that good at it. We're using a gold trommel anyways, where we're sorting the materials by size, so it's simply not a good idea for us to not capitalize on the idea of getting more money from our tailings.
Hi guys, so we just decided to shut down our wash plant for some maintenance. And while we do that, we have emptied the pond, which means we can transport some of the sand and some of the tailings away from the pond that we need to sell. And we also have the opportunity to do some minor fixes and stuff around on the gold side.
So we finally come to the cleanup. So let's find out how much gold we actually have achieved to get today. So remember, we only partially run, so we only should get around 50% of what we did last time. So if the editor is really nice, he might actually be willing to show you on the screen how much that was. But knowing the editor, I don't think that's likely. Nearly the first ounce? Cool. Ooh, there's a bit of chunky in here. Ooh! Oh, there was one more. So, the total amount of gold is 2.069 ounces. And the scale can't decide. So, 2.069. What? Okay, I think my skill is persist. If you liked our episode, please leave a like and a comment in the comment section. That would help us out a lot and mean a lot. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and have a brilliant day.